7 Deadly Sins Origin. How to link accounts across platforms if it is from PC or mobile. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can link your 7 Deadly Sins account across any types of platforms. So the very first thing you just want to have to do is of course open up the game, and at the very first glance you will be asked to log in whether what specific options you would like to use to play with 7 Deadly Sins. Now, once you successfully completed the tutorials for this game, all you have to do is to access these three lines at the upper right, and then from here to the left side, simply access the gear icon, which will redirect you into settings. Now, access the profile picture at the lower left, and then go into link account. Now, for you to be able to link this specific game across any platforms or your account, is you're gonna have to log in, whether it's with Google, Apple, Facebook, Steam, Epic Games, or PlayStation. If you're gonna be just logging into one specific single account or Taylor, say for example Gmail, then you will not be able to have it linked to any types of across platforms. And that's it. That's how you link accounts across platforms if it is for PC or mobile with 7 Deadly Sins Origin.